Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over chapter 2.1, rates of change and limits. What you'll learn about in this video is average and instantaneous speed, the definition of limits, properties of limits, and one-sided and two-sided limits. What are limits important? That's a good question. Limits can be used to describe continuity, the derivative, and the idea is giving the foundation of calculus. Okay, so we're finding the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit. So in this problem, because we're approaching 0 from the left, we use this equation. So x minus 2, right? So you plug in 0, so it'd just be -4 over -2. And negative divided by a negative is a positive, so your answer would be 2. And this equation would approaching 0 from the right, so you use 1 over x squared. That becomes 1 over 0 squared. And because that number is it's 1 divided by 0. So because you can't divide anything by 0, this number becomes infinity. And we use this equation for this problem because it's just 0 at the point, and it's if x is equal to 0 as well. So same thing as the first one. Do this. And again, your answer is 2.
Okay, in this problem we're going to find the limit as x approaches 2. So what we do here is we take the numerator, and we expand it. So it'd be x plus 2, and then x minus 2. And then you just bring over the x minus 2, and then these two would be crossed out. So then in the end, you're gonna get x plus 2, right? So then after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill in what x is, which is 2. So you plug it in for x, it would be 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's it.
Average speed. How is average speed found? Average speed is found by dividing the distance covered by the lapse time.
Speed, you take the equation given, 16t squared, and that'd be your distance. And then you know your time is 6. So you put that over 6. And then you go on to the next step. Now you just find your distance. 16, 6 squared over 6. So then after that, you take the top and divide it by the bottom. So 16 times 36 over 6 equals 576 over 6. And then equals, I need a calculator. So as you can see, 36 times 16 equals 576. And then 576 over 6, divide that. Can't do that. I think. Let me do this real quick. 6 times 8. 54, so that's going to give you 9 minus 54. 36. 6 minus 36, 0. And as you can see, the average speed would be 96 feet per second.
Cool.